Why do you keep saying that stupid thing at the end of our videos? I don't know. Well, stop it. It's so gay and retarded and stuff. No, it's not. You wanna find out? Yeah, sure I do. I just killed you! Was I supposed to do that? I'm sorry. I'm gonna get in so much trouble for running this blue guy over! Oh God, man.